Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and I am a huge Apple fan. I absolutely love everything that Apple does. And the first Apple product that I tried was the iPhone, and I have never been disappointed with iPhone. In fact, I have been using iPhone for quite a couple of years now, and I can tell you that I am not changing to any other type of phone because I am just super happy with iPhones. This right here is the iPhone 11, and as you can see, this is a white iPhone, which is something that I really like. I like that for this phone, you get to have that color option, you get to have that white option, because I feel like it's one of the colors that looks the cleanest and also that looks the most delicate. So I really like that you get the option of having this phone in white. And also, there are so many other things that I love about this phone. I believe that all iPhones have an amazing camera. This is not the exception. This has a really good camera, and I really enjoy taking pictures with it, and I also enjoy taking videos. Also, I really love using the apps that come with Apple and just everything. Basically, you can do everything with iPhone, and I'm just super happy that I have been able to use it. And that is my point of view.